Good afternoon, Prince William County Police Personnel. Amy speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, Amy. My name is Brian from Global News Service. We got wind of a viral video about a confrontation one of your officers had. Is there a way we can speak with the superior of Sergeant P. Hill, please?
Let me forward you to First Sergeant Joe Westerman, who can answer your questions. Are you able to hold for just a moment?
Yeah, that'd be great. Thanks, Amy.
Okay, you're welcome. Stand by.
Thanks.
Well, you've reached First Sergeant Joe Westerman with the Prince William County Police Department Office of Professional Standards. Sorry I missed your call, but please leave me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hey, Mr. Westerman. This is Brian from Global News Service. We're calling in regard to a viral video that's circulating around the internet in regard to a confrontation about 6 of your officers were involved in. Looks like from the video trampling on the First Amendment and Fourth Amendment and Fifth Amendment rights of an individual who was just recording in public. One of those officers was Sergeant P. Hill. Another one was G. Walsh. Another one, I believe, was A. Gardine. Another officer, R.S. Paris. Officer M.T. Surdam. And the female officer, S. Jaliyay. And what I was calling in reference to was it looked like from the video that there was a gross violation of a right to be secure in an individual's ability to be anonymous and not incriminate himself according to the Fourth and Fifth Amendments. But I wanted to direct your attention to U.S. Code 242 under the deprivation of rights under color of law. It reads, and I state, and this is very serious because it's serious language, it's a U.S. code. Whoever under the color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom willfully subjects any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States or to different punishments shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than a year or both. And it further says that if there's any act including kidnapping or an attempt to kidnap, which looks like exactly what your 6 officers were involved in, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned for any term of years or for life or both, or may be sentenced to death. Now, what we would like to know, the viewing public, that is, would like to know, not only in the United States, but also in the entire world, is if you, as the superior officer, are willing to press the issue of U.S. Code 242, the deprivation of rights under the color of law, onto your officers who transgress that law. Not only did they violate the Fourth and Fifth Amendments and the freedoms of an American on American soil, but they also violated U.S. Code 242 and deprived this individual of rights under the color of law. We would really like a response from you. And the unfortunate thing is, and we've all become very accustomed to this, just from YouTube and various videos circulating around the internet, is that when police forces decide to investigate themselves and get back with us, rarely, if ever, does anything positive happen for the public. It usually goes in the favor of the law enforcer and the law enforcement agency. So we'd really like to see if we could get a comment back from you. If you could, just email me at contact@highimpactflix.com. And we really look forward to your answer on this because people are really interested in securing freedoms. As you know, America is the last bastion of true freedom, not only in this country, but in the entire world. And if we go down, basically the world goes down with it. And a lot of people are counting on you guys to uphold the Constitution, not tear it down and rip it to pieces and trample it under your feet. Again, my name is Brian. I'm with a global news service, highimpactflix.com, and you can contact me at contact@highimpactflix.com. I'd really like to hear back from you. Thank you, sir.
Recording has stopped. You have reached the recording limit.
You don't mind if I back up here just for my safety? I feel a little...
No, sir.
Okay,
No.
so no problem. I'm
No.
going to stay right here, sir.
So all you have to do is provide your name, date of birth, and then you'll probably be gone in the next 5 minutes. As in on your way, doing whatever photography that you want. It is just a simple interaction. And all you have to do is provide your name and date of birth so we can verify who you are. Because I can say that I'm Marco Polo, I can say that I'm the King of France, I can claim anything I want, but without picture ID or positive identification, I don't know who I'm talking to. So can you please provide your name so the officer can write the information down, get your date of birth so we can verify within DMV, looking at your picture, saying this is the person, he can have a nice day and go on. It's your choice. Which do you want to do? I'm not going to ask again. Do you wish to assist us, or do you wish to go to jail?
I don't want to give you guys information that's going to give up my rights. For example,
You're not
sir,
giving up your rights.
I am, sir, because I haven't committed a crime.
You had. Because we had trying to identify you.
So
You
then-
refused to remove your mask. Technically, we should have arrested you after the second time.
Okay, so then-
I'm just trying to get you on your way, which is
right.
what you wish. But you're refusing to help us out.
All right. Well, it looks like we're back at what I said earlier. Circular conversation.
Do you wish to identify yourself, or do you wish to go to jail for obstruction of justice? That's what it comes down to. All you have to do is provide your name, date of birth, we identify you, and let you go. We already know that you're here for taking your pictures. That's fine. That is every legal right.
Think about what this cop just said. You have every legal right to do what you're doing, but we decided to stop and harass you anyway for no reason. What you witnessed right here is a kidnapping on camera, crime in progress, and nobody's going to do anything about it except internally investigate themselves.
But we have to identify why you're here, which we did. But we have to identify you so we can finish the process. Because we don't know if you're wanted or if you're a missing person. That's the situation here. So what would you like to do?
You're not gonna identify yourself?
All right.
Guys, please like and share this video with everybody you know everywhere you can on social media. And let's make America truly the land of the free and home of the brave. If you get something out of these videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, give them a thumbs up, share them with everybody you know, and don't forget to subscribe to my private email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. I'll see you guys in the next heavily censored shadow ban video.